Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, in today's video I am installing this beautiful unit here from Nadula hair. They were kind enough to send over this unit today for me to install for you guys so we can see what their quality of hair is looking like and how it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. My hair was kind of like pre-prepped here in terms of already having the hair pushed back and out of my face. It just makes it easier for the installation process, especially when you're using like a long-lasting adhesive glue, which is what I'm going to use today. I'm using the one from Lace Layer. The link to this glue can be found in my description bar below. I'm going to install it today, going section by section, which is why I cut the 3 areas there. And I did bleach this hair, but I did not do a lot of plucking to it. It does come pre-plucked, but I plucked it probably just like the bare minimum, like literally the minimum. So I'm just going to spread out that glue with a popsicle stick, just because this glue attaches really well. And I don't want to get it on any of my products that I use because it's pretty difficult to get off of my hairstyling tools. So that's why I use the popsicle stick, and it just makes it easier to like spread out too, honestly. So I'm going to do 2 layers, and I'm going to blow dry that down, of course, so we can get it as tacky as possible. I'm usually impatient with letting the glue dry all the way down to like a clear texture, or not texture, I'm sorry, clear color. So I just kind of go ahead and glue the wig on down, and the glue will eventually dry and dissolve, so it won't even be visible anymore. So don't worry, you guys, you know, I got it over here. It ain't gonna show. You'll see with that ending product. So once I get each section glued down, I'm just gonna work on cutting the lace off. And I am gonna like secure it down, tie it down with my satin scarf, just to make sure it's nice and firm and stuck. I do go in with a little bit of makeup on the lace, just to ensure that everything is nice and blended. Of course, we want a melted look when it comes to putting our wigs on. So once the wig is nice and glued, I do go over with just like a little bit of the freeze spray, because it kind of just melts it like a little bit more, where you can't see where the lace starts on the head. It just adds that extra little blended effect that I need. So today's styling, I am gonna go with a side part. I've been seeing a lot of side parts on TikTok lately, and it just kind of inspired me to add a side part look instead of a middle part, which is usually my go-to. And I'm gonna work on getting the hair as flat as possible in the root area with my hot comb, as well as my wax stick. The wax stick is key, honestly. It really helps with getting your hair nice and slick and laid down. I feel like I get the best out I get the best look once I use my wax stick. So once I get the hair flat in the root area, I'm going to work on styling it. And I'm just going to add some curls. And I'm making sure that I try to get as much of the hair straight as possible, at least from the root down, because I don't want it to look wavy in some areas and then like curly in some. So I try to get that same texture look throughout the whole wig. So now that we have the wig styled, I'm going to work on adding some baby hairs, and I'm just going to do 2 sections of baby hairs right towards the, or a little bit above my temple area of my forehead. And I am going to trim those down and curl them back with the flat iron. And I use a little bit of got-to-be spray on my edge brush just to get the baby hairs swooped in action. Once the baby hairs are complete, you have finished installing your wig, you guys. So I really like this hair. I wore the wig, I think, for 3 days after this install. And the quality of the hair held up really, really well. It's very soft and silky. I love the length. I love the density. The lace was really easy to work with as well. baby hairs came out good. Overall, it's definitely a wig to add to your collection, because do keep in mind, you guys, even though the unit is a little bit more pricier, it is going to last you a while compared to the synthetic wig. So just keep that in mind if you do purchase this unit. It's basically an investment. So thank you to Nadula Hair for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all liked it, learned something from it, and if you did, leave it in my comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.